Hello everyone, welcome to ICANN Training Institute. Please find the 6th standard SAINIK school exam question and answer key sheet as following. Section A, Mathematics. Please find question and answers as below. Question number 1. Whole numbers are closed under which operation? And the answer is option number 3. Question number 2. The successor of 1 million is, and the answer is option number 2. Question number 3. The points O, U, S, V, R, X, W, T, P, Q and Y on the number line are equidistant. The fraction represented by length OP is, and the answer is option number 1. Question number 4. The two consecutive integers between which the fraction 5 by 7 lies are, and the answer is option number 1. Question number 5. Which of the following is the smallest fraction? And the answer is option number 1. Question number 7. The HCF and LCM of two numbers are 6 and 86 respectively. If one number is 96, find the other number. And the answer is option number 3. Question number 7. The HCF of two numbers is 12 and their difference is 12. Which of the following can be the numbers? And the answer is option number 1. Question number 8. Find the smallest number that is divisible by each one of 9, 12 and 15, and the answer is option number 4. Question number 9. A certain brand of soap powder is sold at rupees 15 per packet. It cost rupees 144 a dozen. What is the profit in percent on 8 dozen packets? And the answer is option number 2. Question number 10. Find the greatest number that will divide 37, 56, 93, leaving remainder 1, 2 and 3 respectively, and the answer is option number 2. Question number 11. If 10 men can do a piece of work in 4 days, how many men will be required to get the same work done in 5 days? And the answer is option number 2. Question number 12. 21 goats eat as much as 15 cows. How many goats eat as much as 35 cows? And the answer is option number 2. Question number 13. A mechanic earns rupees 36,000 on 9 cars. How much will be earned in 1 day? If in a day he receives 27 cars, and the answer is option number 1. Question number 14. X into Y is equal to 3 into 5. Find the ratio of 3x plus 4y into 8x plus 5y, and the answer is option number 3. Question number 15. Find the value of if 3, 18, m, 42 are in proportion, and the answer is option number 3. Question number 16. In an NCC camp, 1200 trainees are participating, out of which 900 are selected for Republic Day camp. What is the ratio between the number of selected and non-selected candidates? And the answer is option number 3. Question number 17. If a boy sells a book for rupees 450, makes a loss of 10%. To gain 10%, what should be the selling price? And the answer is option number 3. Question number 18. A man sells one speaker for rupees 7,500 at a profit of 20% and another speaker for rupees 8,100 at a loss of 10%. Find his total loss or profit, and the answer is option number 4. Question number 19. Simplify. In bracket 8 plus 4 minus 2 bracket completed into bracket 17 minus 12 into 10 minus 89, and the answer is option number 2. Question number 20. Simplify 0.05 plus 1.5 multiple 5 divided by 10 multiple 0.5, and the answer is option number 3. Question number 21. Simplify 7 plus 5 minus 2 multiple in bracket 7 plus 89 bracket completed minus 94 divided by 2 plus in bracket 33 divided by 3 plus 9 multiple 2 minus 7 bracket completed divided by 11, and the answer is option number 2. Question number 22. The average weight of 20 boys in a class is 160 kg and that of the remaining 5 boys is 50 kg. Find the average weight of all the boys in the class, and the answer is option number 1. Question number 23. The average marks obtained by 7 students in a group is 226. If the marks obtained by 6 of them are 340, 180, 260, 56, 275 and 307 respectively, find the marks obtained by the 7 student, and the answer is option number 4. Question number 24. A library has an average of 510 visitors on Sundays and 240 on other day. The average number of visitors in a month of 30 days starting with Sunday is, and the answer is option number 2. Question number 25. A batsman makes a score of 87 runs in the 17th match and thus increase his average by 3. Find his average after the 17th match, and the answer is option number 4. Question number 26. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 is, and the answer is option number 1. Question number 27. If x percent of y is 100 and y percent of z is 200, then find the relation between x and z, and the answer is option number 3. Question number 28. 1/4 of 1/3 of 2/5 of a number is 15. What will be 40% of that number? And the answer is option number 3. Question number 29. If 15% of 40 is greater than 25% of a number by 2, then the number is, and the answer is option number 2. Question number 13. Find the length of rectangle playground in centimeter whose area is 700 square meter and breadth is 25 meter, and the answer is option number 3. Question number 31. Reena took a loan of rupees 1200 with simple interest for as many as years as the rate of interest. If she paid rupees 432 as interest at the end of the loan period, what was the rate of interest? And the answer is option number 2. Question number 32. Write the name of the angle formed when the clock time is 7:15 p.m. and the answer is option number 3. Question number 33. The table shows the maximum temperature in New York City last year. Use the information in this table and answer the following. What was the average maximum temperature up to 2 decimal places of 3 months, May, July and September, last year in New York City? And the answer is option number 2. Question number 34. In the morning, the temperature was 10 Celsius and it increased 3 degrees by the evening. What was the temperature in the evening? And the answer is option number 3. Question number 35. A rectangular garden in 185 meter long and 220 meter wide. It has 2 roads in its center of uniform width of 4 meter, our parallel to its length and other parallel to its breadth. Find the cost leveling the roads at rupees 1.25 per square meter, and the answer is option number 4. Question number 36. 1 decimeter is equal to, and the answer is option number 1. Question number 37. In Roman numeration, if a symbol is repeated, its value is not multiplied as many as time as it occurs, and the answer is option number 1. Question number 38. The angle subtended by the diameter of semicircle on any point on the circle is, and the answer is option number 3. Question number 39. A big cube has each portion of 44 cm, teeny cubes of 4 cm portion, each are cut from that. Then how many teeny cubes will be formed that are surrounded by the least one cube? And the answer is option number 2. Question number 40. A rectangular tank 15 cm long, 12 cm wide and 8 cm high was completely filled with water. Find the volume of water in the tank, and the answer is option number 4. Question number 41. Which option shows fraction arranged in ascending order? And the answer is option number 4. Question number 42. What is the value of 945.341 minus 1042.792 plus 875.435 plus 31.025? And the answer is option number 4. Question number 43. A man on tour travels first 160 km at 64 km/h and the next 160 km at 80 km/h, the average speed for the first 32 km of the tour is, and the answer is option number 3. On dividing 272 as well as 875 by a 3-digit number n, we get the same remainder. The sum of the digits of n is, and the answer is option number 1. Question number 45. It takes Julia half an hour to wash, comb her hair and put on her clothes, and 1/4 hour to have her breakfast. How much time does it take Julia to be ready for school? And the answer is option number 1. Question number 46. Which of the following numbers in Roman numerals is incorrect? And the answer is option number 3. Question number 47. How many faces are there in cubit? And the answer is option number 1. Question number 48. A flat surface which extends identically in all directions is called, and the answer is option number 1. Question number 49. The difference between two complementary angles is 10. Calculate the values of both the angles, and the answer is option number 2. Question number 15. The total weight of brinjal, ladyfinger and onion is 48.057 kg. If brinjal and ladyfinger weight 5.35 kg and 24.52 kg respectively, find the weight of onion, and the answer is option number 2. Let's move to section B, general knowledge. Question number 51. Dash includes internal rocks, minerals, etc. and the answer is option number 4. Question number 52. The remains of plants and animals that were buried millions of years ago are known as, and the answer is option number 2. Question number 53. Rasgulla is a popular sweet of, and the answer is option number 1. Question number 54. Which of the following is a tribal community of India? And the answer is option number 3. Question number 55. Name as astronomical observatory built in the 18th century by Rajput King Sawai Jai Singh of Rajasthan, and the answer is option number 3. Question number 56. For which of following works has Vasudev Mohi been awarded the 29th Saraswati Samman? And the answer is option number 2. Question number 57. Who was the first Indian to be the President of UN General Assembly? And the answer is option number 3. Question number 58. In which of the following parts of the human body are sweat glands absent? And the answer is option number 3. Question number 59. What do we call the young one of kangaroo? And the answer is option number 3. Question number 60. Clouds are mostly made of, and the answer is option number 3. Question number 61. From which movement did India adopt its national emblem? And the answer is option number 3. Question number 62. In which of the following styles of dance is story theme always taken from Mahabharata and Ramayana? And the answer is option number 3. Question number 63. Arrange the months based on national calendar in correct serial order. A. Chaitra, B. Vaishak, C. Jashtha, and D. Ashad. And the answer is option number 1. Question number 64. Which one of the following is compact aircraft? And the answer is option number 1. Question number 65. Which device is used to measure the speed of vehicles? And the answer is option number 2. Question number 66. How do ants recognize ants from their group? And the answer is option number 3. Question number 67. Which of the following is domesticated in poultry farms? And the answer is option number 3. Question number 68. The dash cover the tongue and react to chemicals in food. And the answer is option number 1. Question number 69. What does freezing do when preserving foods? And the answer is option number 3. Question number 70. Which of the following cup trophies is associated with football? And the answer is option number 3. Question number 71. Dash is a traditional rainwater harvesting technique of Rajasthan. And the answer is option number 1. Question number 72. Which of the following is dissolved in water? And the answer is option number 3. Question number 73. Which of the following is communicable disease? And the answer is option number 2. Question number 74. To climb the mountains we have to, and the answer is option number 1. Question number 75. Seeds of drumsticks and maple are carried over long distance by wind because they possess, and the answer is option number 1. Let's move to section C, language. Read the following passage and answer the questions by choosing the most appropriate option. Question number 76. Why was Zeus angry and disappointed at humans? And the answer is option number 3. Question number 77. What is the meaning of underlined word? Prometheus had defied Zeus, and the answer is option number 4. Question number 78. Which of the following statement is not true about Zeus and Prometheus? And the answer is option number 2. Question number 79. We studied about Roman Empire in school, and the answer is option number 3. Question number 80. There was no one else in the room Colin, and the answer is option number 2. Question number 81. The news is all the internet, and the answer is option number 3. Rearrange the following words phrase to make meaningful sentences. Choose correct sequence. Question number 82. I/immediately/salary/my/want, and the answer is option number 2. Question number 83. The sun/you/off/must/stay out, and the answer is option number 3. Question number 84. It is quite warm use the question tag, and the answer is option number 3. Question number 84. Leave your bags at the gate, and the answer is option number 1. Question number 86. Near the equator the sun greater quantities of water, and the answer is option number 2. Question number 87. Choose the correct spelling, and the answer is option number 3. Question number 88. Today is the day of my life, and the answer is option number 4. Question number 89. Poets are known to fly in their thoughts, and the answer is option number 3. Question number 90. Do as directed. There are some diseases that are inherited. Identify the kind of noun, and the answer is option number 4. Question number 91. After school you and must discuss a few things, and the answer is option number 3. Question number 92. The captain along with the players, and the answer is option number 1. Question number 93. Choose the word that means the opposite of mortal, and the answer is option number 2. Question number 94. A of thieves we caught by the police, and the answer is option number 2. Question number 95. It has become his habit to do his homework and then copy it from others, and the answer is option number 4. Question number 96. There were several at the conference, and the answer is option number 1. Question number 97. To beat around the bush means, and the answer is option number 2. Question number 98. My father is bookworm. He books to films and sports, and the answer is option number 3. Question number 99. Choose the most appropriate option, and the answer is option number 4. Question number 100. A confectioner is a person who and the answer is option number 3. Let's move to the section D, intelligence. Question number 101. A is a bee's sister, C is a bee's mother, D is a C's father, E is a D's mother. Then how is A related to D? And the answer is option number 4. Question number 102. In a certain code language, computer is written RFU VQNPC. How will medicine in return in the code of language? And the answer is option number 2. Question number 103. If southeast becomes north, northeast becomes west, and so on, what will west become? And the answer is option number 3. Question number 104. What will come at the place of question mark? And the 10, 100, 200, 3, 10 question mark, and the answer is option number 3. Question number 105. Look at the series 2, 1, in bracket 1/2, in bracket 1/4, and the answer is option number 2. Question number 106. Choose the correct alternative that has the same relation. SCD, TEF, UGH, dash dash WKL. And the answer is option number 3. Question number 107. If Way is coded as 679, May is coded at 579, then YAW will be coded as, and the answer is option number 1. Question number 108. In a class of 45 students, Amir's rank from the top is 16th. Ashok is 6 ranks below Amir. What is the Ashok's ranks from the bottom? And the answer is option number 3. Question number 109. Which one set of letters, when sequentially placed at the gaps in the between letter series, shall complete it? AB dash B dash ABA dash dash ABAB. And the answer is option number 4. Question number 110. Fill in the blank. Rain horse, control panel, and answer is option number 3. Question number 111. Choose the word which is the least like the words in the group, and the answer is option number 1. Question number 112. If plus means minus, minus means multiply, multiply means add, then what is the value of 10 into 10 multiply 5 plus 3 minus 2? And the answer is option number 3. Question number 113. Mend into swing, edit, and the answer is option number 3. Question 114. Complete the second pair by selecting the appropriate alternative, and answer is option number 2. Question number 115. A man walks 6 kilometers south, turns left and walks 4 kilometers. Again, turns left and walks 5 kilometers. Which direction is he facing now? And the answer is option number 2. Question number 116. Choose the word that is necessary part of the underlined word guitar, and the answer is option number 4. Question number 117. Which letter replaces the question mark? EMHNOA question mark D, and the answer is option number 4. Question number 118. The priest told Devot that the bell rings at regular interval of 45 minutes. The last bell rang 5 minutes ago. The next bell is due to be rung at 7:45 a.m. At what time did the priest give the information to the Devot? And the answer is option number 3. Question number 119. In a code, Bombay is coded as CNNABX. Then what will be the code of Delhi? And the answer is option number 4. Question number 120. Fill the blank. Cigarette unify, repair dash dash, and the answer is option number 3. Question number 121. How many triangles are in the figure given below? And the answer is option number 2. Question number 122. Rahul started walking straight towards east. He walks a certain distance and then turns towards his right and walks again. In which direction is he heading now? And the answer is option number 3. Question number 123. From the given option, choose the odd one out, and the answer is option number 3. Question number 124. Tanya is older than Eric. Cliff is older than Tanya. Eric is older than Cliff. If the first two statements are true, the third statement is, and the answer is option number 2. Question number 125. What comes next in the given series? And the answer is ACFHKM dash dash, and the answer is option number 3. Thank you.